Hi everyone. So here, I already have a floor plan with all the walls and rooms divided properly. Now, I'm going to show you how to change the floor material in your design. Let's say I want to change the flooring in the living room. Just click on the space, and then select floor design. Once you're in the new interface, click on the floor and choose Edit Floor Tile. When you select the floor, you'll see several tiling patterns to choose from, such as grid, staggered, 3-6-9, V-shape, herringbone, and spiral. For this example, I'll go with the grid layout. After selecting it, scroll down and you'll see the material list. To change the floor material, click the arrow icon on the preview image. A material library window will pop up. From here, you can scroll through and pick the tile you want. I'll choose this one. Once you click it, the software automatically applies that material to your floor. You can also adjust the tile size. For example, if the current tile is 1000 by 1000 mm, you can switch it to 600 by 300 mm, or customize it however you like. But I'll revert it back to 1 meter by 1 meter for now. Next, let's adjust the grout width and color. Usually, the grout width is around 3 mm. If your tiles are light colored, you should go with a lighter grout tone, for example, this one here. And for darker tiles, it's better to use a darker grout so the contrast isn't too strong. Just click on the color box, a color palette will appear, and drag the slider to pick the shade you want. Alright. So now we've finished changing the floor material for the living room. After fine-tuning the grout width and color, you might notice that the tiles don't align perfectly with the wall edge. To fix that, click on the floor again and select at starting point. This lets you choose where the tiling begins. For example, I'll click this corner right here, and you'll see the layout automatically adjust. Once you're done, exit this mode and go back to your 3D view. Now, if I also want the bathroom to have the same floor tiles, I can use the material picker tool by pressing the M key. Click on the living room floor to pick up that material, then apply it to the bathroom floor. Between different rooms, there's usually a transition strip, which can be set to a slightly different tile or color, but here I'll just use the same tile as the living room for consistency. And that's it. I've successfully applied and matched the floor materials across rooms. After that, just like before, I can adjust the starting point again by clicking at starting point in the bathroom and choosing the bottom right corner, for instance. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial on how to change and customize floor materials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore more interior design tips and tricks.